So I want to talk about one of my favorite pomades. It's called Bonafide Water Resistant. There we go. So it's actually an oil-based, doesn't wash out well. It's water resistant for that matter, but it's a great pomade. I like it because it leaves a nice residual. I can redo my hair throughout the day. Citrus, sandalwood, and vanilla scented. It's a solid choice. Still gonna top it off with something Trevinos. If the water's soluble, it's just gonna help keep things nice and tight. Before I get into that, I took a shower, did everything but add in my aftershave. I like to just clean my skin, kind of condition it a little bit better. Takes me 10 seconds. So I already blow dried my hair, I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna take one scoop of this. I'm just gonna work it in. Being that it's an oil-based pomade, it's gonna take some work to melt down in your hand, so you really gotta work it in. Now, a lot of people can get away with just gliding over their hair, just keeping it in shape with how they blow dry it. I need grease throughout or it doesn't hold. If I got sections of dry patches inside, it'll split, it won't keep its shape well, so I prefer to just get grease everywhere. I'm gonna take my blow dryer on cold, and I'm just gonna kind of comb through, get everything nice and situated, and then I'll top it off with my water-based. Shape's there, but as you can see, my hair wants to split in some sections still. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in my water soluble. It's gonna keep things a lot tighter, nicer, cleaner once I actually start combing things in. So I'm just gonna take a scoop, and this I can just float right on top. Once I start combing it in, the comb is gonna move a lot smoother and my hair is gonna just sit into place better. I'm gonna take my trusted rake comb, wide teeth, and they're extra long. It's basically a pick with a side handle. Float it right over my scalp. I'm not actually trying to touch my scalp with this. Shape is great, easy peasy so far. What I'm gonna do now is take this round brush with the wire teeth. I'm just gonna go on my sides. You can see I got a lot of flyaways. This thing smells like most of my colognes already. So I really don't need to add much else as far as fragrance goes, but just for the hell of it. The Zorro, the most wanted. Camera's dying, so I might have to put a voiceover in, so just use this as that thing. Smells like cardamom, caramel, and woody amber. I could grab another comb, I could do some more, final touches, try and detail little things here and there, but I'm happy with where I'm at. So these two really make things a lot easier on me. Bonafide and Trevinos. Took me about 5-10 minutes to do my hair. You see I got a lot of it. Normally it takes me 10-15 20 minutes. So go pick up some jars. Bonafide oil-based, Trevinos water-based. If you don't live in the Central Valley, I'm not going to say much more. You want to find a good pomade, water-based, that you can find online, I recommend Mr. Turtle. Or you could just, there you go. Camera died. Is what it is.